In this video, I will discuss how servicing your older AMG at the Mercedes dealership can get very, very expensive. Along with my new to me 2005 E55 AMG, I have the full service records for this car. This car spent the first 13 years of its life with the first owner who only serviced it at Mercedes-Benz dealerships, chiefly Mercedes-Benz of Beverly Hills. I'm going to go through the service history and add everything up that the first owner spent on this car in service and repairs for only driving less than 40,000 miles over 13 years. The number is surprisingly high. I'm also not going to include things like flat tires and things like that because they could happen to any car, and all prices are in US dollars. Now, the car was delivered in late 2004, and starting in August 2006 at 6,200 miles, the brake fluid was replaced for $144, and the engine oil, a service C, was changed for $251. So the total for this service was $395. Then in August 2007, at 9,400 miles, the oil was changed again, this time a service B for $488. The brake fluid was renewed for $121, and the tires were balanced for $158, for a total of $767. In July 2008, at 10,600 miles, the oil was changed, a service A, for $291. The tires were balanced for $89, and a total for this visit was $380. In July 2009, at 14,200 miles, the oil was changed, a service B, for $485. The brake fluid was renewed for $145. The power steering fluid was flushed for $182. Also, the front brakes were serviced for $585. For a total of $1,397. In February 2010, at 17,800 miles, the rear tires were replaced for $691, and the car had a wheel alignment for $169, a total of $860 at this visit. In August 2010, at 20,000 miles, the engine oil was changed, a service A, for $228. The air filters were replaced for $139, the supercharger belt for $185, and the rear brake pads for $320, a total of $872 at this visit. In October 2011, at 25,400 miles, the oil was changed, a service B, $346. The brake fluid was flushed for $157, making the total of this visit $503. In November 2011, at 26,000 miles, the air conditioning system was recharged for $413, and the power steering was flushed for $181, for a total of $594. In December 2011, at 26,000 miles, the thermostat was replaced for $444. In July 2012, at 28,100 miles, the right front control arm and ball joint were replaced. The vehicle level was calibrated, camber and caster adjusted, and a wheel alignment was performed for a total of $1,024. The driver's sun visor was also replaced for $653, and it's a common issue on W211 cars as it breaks and doesn't hold itself back up against the ceiling. The alternator was also replaced for $405, and the auxiliary battery, which sits under the hood, was replaced for $230. Added up, this July 2012 visit cost $2,312. Now, in February 2013, at 29,500 miles, an oil change was performed, an A service, for $216, and the transmission mount, or rear engine mount, was replaced at a cost of $229. So the total of this February 2013 visit was $445. And then in April 2014, at 31,800 miles, now this was an expensive one, the oil was changed, a B service, for $389. The front brake pads and rotors were replaced for $1,215, and the brake fluid was flushed for $181. Then the left side intake manifold was replaced for $1,173, and I'm not sure exactly what they mean by this, so maybe let me know in the comments. And finally, both engine mounts were replaced for $1,335, so the total of this visit in April 2014 was $4,293. Now in March 2015, at 33,000 miles, so barely a year later, the battery was replaced for $337, the blower motor regulator for $931, the windshield wipers for $64, and a wheel alignment for $129, and new tires all around for $1,448. Also, new suspension thrust arm bushings were added for $640, and I've done a video on this way back in 2016 on the silver E55. fixing a valve cover gasket leak and a PCV cover leak for $620, flush the power steering fluid for $224, and an A service oil change for $200. And the total of this visit was $4,593 for March 2015. In May 2015, with 33,178 miles, the car came in with a check engine light, and the supercharger purge valve and plug seals were replaced for $499, and the supercharger gaskets and vacuum hoses were replaced for $1,166, making this visit cost $1,665. And in March 2016, at 34,439 miles, the car had a B service oil change for $350 and had the crankshaft position sensor replaced for $330, bringing this to a total of $680 at this 2016 visit. And after that, from 2017 to now, the car just had a few oil changes done by the second owner before I picked the car up. So the total cost at Mercedes dealers over 13 years and only 35,000 miles is $20,200. And beyond just service and repairs, this car has had numerous flat tires over the years and other misfortunes, such as running through a big pothole in 2008 at 12,000 miles, which resulted in a bad wheel alignment and the car pulling to one side, as per the customer's comment. The right front steering knuckle was replaced and the rear wheel carrier, among other things, for a total of $6,532. Adding these other bad luck repairs to the total dealer cost of this car brings it closer to $30,000. There were other fixes done on this car under warranty, such as the command navigation screen, which was replaced early on in the car's life. Now, this may seem like a lot of repair work for a car that only has about 40,000 miles. However, many of the E55 AMG common issues have been taken care of already with these repairs. These are issues such as the leaking valve cover gaskets and the difficult to replace engine mounts. So this is pretty good for a subsequent owner. But really, the moral of the story here is when you're picking up an older AMG, I really recommend you either service the vehicle yourself or find a good independent mechanic that you can trust. Even if you do oil changes and inspections yourself, you will save a ton of money. I put 30,000 miles on my silver 2004 E55 in 5 years, and the repairs and maintenance costs of that car was less than $3,000 doing all of the repairs myself. Oil changes and inspections for $300 or $400 a year are just too expensive. As we have seen here, Mercedes dealers charge a lot of money, even for a car with low mileage. So let me know what you think about this service record in the comments. Did Mercedes just pump money out of this person? Or is this just the normal service routine from Mercedes? That's it for this video. And thanks to those in the comments who identified my engine builder signature from the last video. It's Andreas Kawula, hope I pronounced that right, a Polish AMG mechanic. Anyways, thanks for watching. And if you like videos like this and want to see the next videos of starting work on the E55, definitely subscribe for more.